Nice challenge right there.
And he killed him.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh,
We take the throw.
oh, what
We
is
take
it?
the throw.
Oh!
We got another one.
Sweet.
I got a DP, motherfucker. What are you gonna do?
Oh my God! What are you doing to this man? There's mental damage right now. What's gonna happen? What are you doing?
Rush it
Okay,
in.
nice.
Oh, he's just gonna do it. Oh, he's just gonna do it. Oh, he's just gonna do it.
Oh!
Sun is going down. Oh my God. Oh, there it was. That was your chance. That was your chance. Oh my God. Do it again. Oh, bold dash, very bold. That's
That's
That is very dirty.
Very intelligent goal dash.
Yeah.
Doesn't want any of it. Doesn't want any of it.
Nice avoidance. It's Street Fighter 5. Got hit. No confirm. Oh, okay.
And this is it.
I don't think this is it.
Please.
It's very close.
Oh, that was
This
nice.
is it. Bold
Nice
dash.
down from Bold Dash.
Bold Dash are Gaming Cafe Street Fighter 5 champion. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bold Dash.
including normals.
Light punch, medium
What?
punch. Oh shit.
Oh, I'm getting scared here.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
What?
What? What?
What is that spam? Yes, went through me.
You call it spam, we call it Leo, bro.
One small mistake and he could be out.
Oh, here we go. No, not quite.
Oh, and there it
That's
is.
the mistake. There it is. No. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
that's good. Yeah. With the level
For a
3,
second, I forgot.
that's overkill though. We gotta show off.
Damage.
And Kubi.
And Kubi.
Oh, level 3.
Here we go.
It's not enough to kill. Oh, of course it's enough to kill. What am I saying?
Change Shen, please.
What am I super saying?
Oh, god damn it.
Nice, Stone Age.
So full screen footies with the projectile.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Here we go.
Got
Sit
those two.
your ass down, the both of you.
Now TOD combos, we got 2. Oh, this
he's
going hurt.
gone. He's gone. Full
Oh,
damage.
damn.
I don't care.
And both of them got the damage. Look at the
Yes.
Damn. Damn, this
Why
is
not?
nice.
Why not go
I already have my
full
highlights.
damage?
I already have my highlights for the. I already have those.
If you caught them both, why not go for full fucking damage?
can do it.
Oh, that
He
was
got
a
the full
nice jump in. Is this gonna do it? This is gonna do it if he
Or
doesn't
guard.
drop it.
Level 3.
Level 3. I don't know. Oh.
Praise to Jesus.
No,
He's not. He's not.
still alive, still alive, still
He's
alive.
not. Well, let's make some
One mistake,
Okay,
one
jump
mistake
down a
is
bit. Okay,
gonna,
get out.
gonna cost John Capon's match.
That was good
Now.
vanish.
Now he can finish it out.
No.
Final flash.
That is not gonna kill. I thought it was gonna kill from this.
It's not gonna kill, but it's gonna do a lot of damage.
Yeah.
One reset, he's gonna do it. Jean Capon still alive.
Wow. Yeah, a bit shaky. Reflectable. Is it? It is reflectable. And he gets hit by the pizza.
Wow.
He got betrayed by
Again.
reflectable. Bip, 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 bip. Oh my god, the pizza! Another pizza. Oh my god, that is.
This is gonna be.
No, he's alive. He's alive.
Still alive.
Very minimal. But eventually
blocks.
your corner is gonna run out. And the more spell. Oh my god, he did block. Eye laser.
Nice. With the pizzas that don't work.
Level 3. There you go. Hold this. Freeze the corner. Level 3. Instant.
Oh, that was a nice block for Sopisa, please.
18, does he? Oh, barrier,
Oh, that was
man!
nice.
Don't do that on 18. He doesn't know how to play 18. It's obvious. Dang.
So we only got Cell for Sopisa, please. He has to
He
work.
only has cell.
Damage boost.
Can this perfect man do it? Oh! Wait, that might be dead.
This
that might be
is gonna
dead.
be it. This is gonna be
That
it.
might be dead. No, he's alive. Slipper
Yes,
of
he's
hell.
alive, still
Slipper
alive,
of
still
hell. Overhead. I
Nice.
knew it. God dang.
And that's it.
And he gets it.
Our boy O Beats coming back.
Showing
and
the
taking his
Saiyan
throne
monkey.
back.
Showing the Saiyan monkey who's boss. God damn.
Does have the combos.
Under the high speed condition. We're about to find out. Nice.
Yeah, boy!
Is he gonna use the
Yeah, he is!
Yeah, nice, nice.
Bro, look at the stun bar. Look at it hiding. Well, you had to do it.
Yes, yes. Wake up DMX, yeah. I don't blame him.
Oh,
Nice cancel as well. That can do a lot of damage.
yeah.
All the finger, damn. Gun finger.
Oh, is that gonna hit or is that not? Ooh!
Fine, fast. Can you make use of it though? What? Trying to get out of that corner. All of a sudden, it's all turned around. Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Oh, he's dropped it.
Ow. It's down to the wire.
It is.
5 seconds to
You've got to be
go.
careful. You can almost see Super Buff
Oh.
like that. Level 3 there.
Yeah.
He needs to come out now.
Oh, okay, he's waiting for that
Oh.
move. He's got it. He's got it.
He did it. He did it. And do you know what? Hats off to Alexian.
The target combo, a little bit of the same story we saw with Raven earlier. We really got to punish the target combo very, very much.
Oh, the wake up, the meteor that.
I like it. Yeah,
Here we
very
go.
nice.
Cross counter, mix ups,
Ooh, that's gonna be a pity.
and that's the start. And he got Mikat right there.
Let's see if he spends CA here. He does not.
Oh, the face! That's the second time.
Misses the meaty though, very important.
Oh, where was he? Jeez, I don't know. No one knows what is going on.
Cirque du Soleil, boys. Hey, this plus though, at least it's not like ooh.
Go catch him, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that was dog like that Bison.
Whoa, Nutu jumped that. That was... Bruticus is out for blood, boys.
And that's stun. Yes. Oh my god.
Oh! Is that gonna bite him in the ass?
Let's talk more blood. Begin!
Ooh, headbutt. These kill headbutt.
Ah, the wing. Oh, again with a nice punish.
Ooh, doesn't go for the
The
punish.
resets, but works out. One more hit will do it.
Will this be?
Oh, the overhead! Oh my god.
Is this a match point for H-Raw? Let's see.
Breathe.
And the
Oh,
punish.
again. Yeah. You cannot charge the fireball like that versus Vega.
Alright,
Wow.
called it, boys. 3-2. Denies the reset.
Ooh, wow, that was intense.
Okay, uses the button. Wait for it.
Oh, let's go. Oh, he's trying to go down. He wants the 7th one.
Oh my god! Can somebody clip that?
What's it called? Kazuki is one of the few that can punish a single Rekka with a medium.
Right.
Many characters can only do it with a javelin.
Yeah, that's punishable, but no big. Okay, this time is get it. Oh, okay, so yeah.
Oh yeah!
Whoa!
We don't float here. It's
That's
not
a-
it.
Yeah, that's going to be a. Okay, yeah. Ooh.
Getting aggressive now, but he knows he has the threat. Yes, hit him, and it's a counter. That's that.
That's great, yeah.
Oh, we have a match.
Great,
Yeah.
great bait here.